Hello, beautiful morning to you and welcome to Breakfast News at 8. I am David Okpokwasile. Remember that Governor Soludo has come for a total turnaround maintenance of the Anambra State economy and promotion of core Igbo values. Let's continue to give him maximum support for the task ahead. We begin from the Governor's Lodge in Amobia, where the Governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, has inaugurated a panel of inquiry into the remote and immediate causes of the unfortunate building collapse at Igbo Market or Tanja and at Dennis Memorial Grammar School on DMGS Onitsha. Governor Soludo performed the function at the Governor's Lodge, Amobia. Our correspondent, A.G. Kabana, tells us more.
Members of the panel are Engineer Sir Victor Meju, the chairman of current Anambra State chapter, who will serve as chairman. Architect Ikenna Ebo, chairman, Nigeria Institute of Architects, NIA, Anambra State chapter. Member, TPL Nwofo Ben Obiora, chairman, Nigeria Institute of Town Planners, NITP, Anambra State chapter. Member, Surveyor Gabriel Okeke, chairman, Nigeria Institute of Quantity Surveyors, Anambra State chapter. Member. Others are Builder Kinsley Nweke, chairman, Nigeria Institute of Builders, Anambra State chapter. Member, MDCEO, Anambra State Material Testing Laboratory. Member, Professor Ezago Akolisa, chairman, Institute of Structural Engineers. Member and the permanent secretary, Ministry of Housing, Anambra State, secretary of the committee. Terms of reference of the panel include to identify the immediate and underlying cause of the collapse of lock-up shops at Igbo or Tanja Market and the centenary building at Dennis Memorial Grammar School, Onitsha, including structural design, construction and maintenance factors. Assess the role of relevant authorities, including regulatory bodies and local government agencies in monitoring and enforcing building codes and safety standards, amongst others. Review compliance and make recommendations within 20 days or 4 weeks. According to the governor, the panel is made up of the state chairmen of various chapters of various professional bodies in Nigeria, pointing out that their appointment was as a result of the offices they occupy. Governor Soludo stated that the quick composition and inauguration of the panel shows the importance his government places on the subject matter, charging them on utmost professionalism in the discharge of their job description. While expressing optimism of getting an impeccable set of recommendations, the governor gave assurances that his administration may use it as a basis to effect corrective actions.
When the Igbo one collapsed, a set of buildings, it was quite a calamity. And now to see the 5-story building, centenary building, and I was informed some other buildings are in very bad state. And we need to get to the root of this matter. We can no longer tolerate these building collapses in Anambra. We must put in the relevant standards. We need to get to the bottom of these matters. Why do they collapse? Who dropped the ball? And what changes do we need to make? Whether it's in legal, regulatory, or enforcement mechanisms, institutions, and the involvement of the professionals. Here you are, state chairman of the various professional bodies. There's no better qualified team than you.
Speaking on behalf of the panel members, Engineer Meju assured of discharging their duties to the best of their ability and articulate their recommendations in the interest of a greater number of Anambra.
We understand the sacred sanctity of this assignment to this administration. I want to reassure you of our commitment. The panel will be diligent and meticulous in unraveling the cause and then make fantastic recommendations that the government will plan judiciously well articulated for the benefit of Anambra and the entire Nigeria. I will not disappoint you.
Chief of Staff to the Governor, Mr. Ernest Ezadri, was also present at the event.